Hi guys, it's been a stressful and busy week, so I wanted to make something fun and playful to relieve some stress. I decided to make a little fairy or Smurf garden using plants that I already have. Let me quickly show you where I got the plants that I used in this planter from. So I have these string of pearls that are getting long, so I took some cuttings from these. I also took cuttings from this other planter. This is my ruby necklace plant that I took some cuttings from. I have this elephant bush stem cuttings that I've been propagating. I pulled these two stems out. There's this Haworthia zebra plant that's being blocked by this Echeveria, so I decided to pull it out and repot it in this other planter. And lastly, I took some cuttings from these two string of dolphin plants that I have. So I have here 4 string of pearls stem cuttings, 2 ruby necklace stem cuttings, 2 Portulacaria Afra variegata or variegated elephant bush cuttings, 1 zebra plant, and 3 string of dolphin stem cuttings. So I prepared the potting mix that I want to use. I'm mixing cactus, succulent potting mix, and bonsai jack together in this planter. So my potting mix is ready. Now I want to put these elephant bush stems at the back because these grow long and tall and can block other plants from the sun if you put them in the front. Okay, so this is the Haworthia zebra plant that I pulled out from that other planter because it was being blocked by that Echeveria next to it. So I'll put this right here in the front so it can get a little bit more sun and it won't be blocked by other taller plants. Because this one doesn't grow tall, it kind of spreads out as it grows if it produces more pups or baby plants. And lastly, the plants that trail or hang, I'll put on the sides of the pot so they can trail down as they grow longer. So I purposely left the middle part empty so I can start putting my little embellishments in. And this is the fun part. Here's Papa Smurf. I think he can go right here. Here's Smurfette. Let's see, maybe she can go here. Another, this is a lighthouse. Smurf fella right here. A little mushroom, maybe they can live here. Another one here. Tiny mushroom right here. Here's a little fence that maybe goes here. Found a few more things. this little sign might go here between the trees. Yeah, and just moving some stuff around. This tiny little flower can go here, and a little tiny house. Okay, give it some water and I'm done. This was a fun and quick little project that helped relieve some stress. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics you can check out down below. Thanks for stopping by. We really appreciate all your support. Have a great day wherever you are and happy gardening. Bye!